Hey guys, welcome back to DeAnn Creates, where I share with you my craft, DIY, and home decor ideas that don't require a lot of money. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made this adorable Valentine's heart with a faux nail head arrow. So if you'd like to see how I made it, keep watching. I started off by cutting the twine rope from the wooden heart that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Then I used Master's Touch acrylic paint in the color titanium white to paint the second and the fourth rows of the heart. If you'd like specifics on the materials used for this project, check out the link to my blog post in the description box below. For more crafting, DIY, and home decor ideas, check me out on Pinterest. Next, I use Anita's all-purpose acrylic craft paint in the color Vivid Pink to paint the top row and the third row. I mixed the pink paint with a little white to make a lighter shade of pink. Do you have anything special planned for Valentine's Day? I know the C word has got a lot of people's plans messed up, so if you got any special plans, what are they? Looking for ideas. If you'd like to check out another Valentine's project from me, you can check out my Valentine's canvas yarn art. Now it was time for me to decorate my arrow, so I used these red jewel stickers that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and I traced the outline of the arrow with the stickers. I made sure to push them down firmly so that they wouldn't come off. I used my scissors to cut the length of the stickers down so that they would go around the outline perfectly. If you have any ideas for anything you'd like me to make, let me know. Also, what decorations are you doing for Valentine's Day? Have you decorated? Are you going to decorate? Let me know. I'd love to hear about it. After that, I decided to cut the twine rope off of the arrow. I decided I wanted to paint my arrow with gold metallic acrylic paint, but that idea really didn't work out because the gold paint wasn't sticking to the jewel stickers, so I had to scratch that idea. I went to my backyard and decided to spray paint the entire thing with a silver metallic spray paint so that it would create a faux nail head look. Looks pretty good, oh yeah! I took out 2 small hearts from a package of Valentine table scatter from Dollar Tree. Then I opened up a pack of black letter stickers and took out 2 X's. I put the X's and the hearts in a pattern on the straight part of the arrow. I glued the hearts in place with my hot glue gun. I hot glued the arrow onto the heart in a diagonal downward direction. And there's my design assistant Nala at her post as usual. Alright, back to the project. I cut a piece of Valentine's themed twine that I got from Michael's and strung it through the holes of the hearts. I tied double knots in the twine on the back of the heart to secure it in place. And there you have it, another craft that was so much fun to do and so easy to make. If you'd like to check out more ideas from me, you can check out my website at DeAnnCreates.com. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and keep coming back because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys!